Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to talk about and practice with other, another, the other, and others. Let's get started. First we have other. We use other to talk about plural nouns. More than one. Not this country, but other countries. She likes to travel to other countries. Remember, we don't say others. Other is in a singular form. Countries is in a plural form. She likes to travel to other countries. She lives in the USA. So not this country, but other countries. She likes to travel to other countries. Let's practice. She lives in the US, but does she like to go to other countries?
Yes, she likes to go to other countries.
Does she like to go to other countries? Very good. Example. They like this restaurant, but they also like to go to other restaurants. Other in the singular form, restaurants in the plural form. So yes, they like this restaurant, but they like to eat at other restaurants too. They like to go to other restaurants too. They like to eat at this restaurant, but they also like to eat at other restaurants too. Not only this one. Let's practice. They like to eat at this restaurant, but do they like to go to other restaurants too?
Yes, they like to go to other restaurants too.
Do they like to go to other restaurants too? Very good. We also use other with non-countable nouns, non-countable things and people and places. Example, furniture. Furniture is not countable. We cannot say one furniture or two furnitures. It's not countable. So we use other furniture. I only like the furniture at this store. I don't like other furniture. Only this furniture. I like this furniture only. I don't like other furniture at other stores. I only like this furniture. Let's practice. I know you like the furniture here, but do you like other furniture?
No, I don't like other furniture.
Does she like other furniture? Very good. Let's talk about another. Another is for one countable thing. It's one more. Another spoon. This spoon is dirty. I need another spoon. Spoon is countable and there's only one. Only one spoon, we say another. This spoon is dirty. Can I have another spoon, please? Let's practice. Is your spoon dirty?
Yes, my spoon is dirty.
What do you need?
I need another spoon.
Is her spoon dirty? Does she need another spoon? Very good. Example, cup of coffee is countable and there's one, I say a cup of coffee. A cup of coffee. My cup is empty. Can I have another cup of coffee? I finished my first cup. Can I have another cup of coffee? Let's practice. Do you want another cup of coffee?
Yes, I want another cup of coffee.
Does she want another cup of coffee? Very good. We use another for one singular thing that is countable for a different one. I don't want to go this way. I want to go another way. Another different way. I don't want to go the long way. I want to go another way. He shouldn't go that way. He should go another way. And remember with way, we don't say take that way. We say go that way. So he shouldn't go that way. He should go another way. A different way. Because way is countable. One way and two ways. Countable things use another for one. He should go another way. Let's practice. Should he go that way or should he go another way?
He should go another way.
Should he go that way or should he go another way? Very good. Let's talk about the other. We say the other. We don't say the other. Because you have a vowel with other, we don't pronounce the. Normally we say the store, the road. But with a vowel we change the to the other. We don't say the other. The other. We use the other when we have two. When there is only two, you have one way and the other way. There are only two ways. We use the other. So I'm not going that way, I'm going the other way. There are only two ways to go. We use the other. Do you want to go this way or do you want to go the other way? I want to go the other way. Let's practice. There are two ways to go. Should he go this way or the other way?
He should go the other way.
Should he go this way or the other way? That's right, he should go the other way. I have two cars. One car is blue and the other car is orange. Use the other when you only have two. Let's practice. How many cars do you have?
I have two cars.
What color are they?
One car is blue and the other one is red.
How many cars does she have? What color are they? Very good. Let's talk about others. When can we use others? We use others as a substitution for other people. You should help others means you should help other people. It's not very common. You're talking in general. Others. You should help others. You're speaking in general. You should help others. It means you should help other people. It's not very common, but it's correct. You should help others, not only yourself. Let's practice. Is it nice to help others?
Yes, it's nice. Yes, it's nice to help others.
Is it nice to help others? Should we always help others? Very good. So let's review. We use other for countable things more than one. Example, other countries, other restaurants. And we use it for non-countable. Example, other furniture. We use another for one more. Example, another spoon, another cup of coffee. And we use another for a different way, another way. We use the other when you have two. One is blue and the other one is red. And the least common is others. It's a substitution for other people. Help others.
Thank you for watching.
And if you're looking for more material to practice your English, click the link below and check out the book that we use with our students. You can practice speaking, reading, and listening. Thanks for watching.